osumbara. Ona duru koto ona gajanya dewara.
Hey guys, good morning. So happy Saturday. So my friend group and we are headed out to Westmoreland. I don't remember the name of the specific area that we're going. When I do ask again, I will just let you guys know the specific area that we're going. So we're going in to give some care packages. Now in my last video, I know I had went through my closet stuff and my old online clothing business for some items that I'm gonna donate. I did remove some of those items, reason being some of those items like the dresses, the dressing, whatever, those are party stuff, and we all know it ain't no party time right now for that side of the island, so it didn't make any sense. But the tight suits, the two-piece sets and stuff, that's what I'm gonna take. I also got some clothing from one of my family members, my in-law. She gave me like a huge bag of garbage bag. I got that last night. I did not have any time to go through it, so this donation and effort and assisting, it's gonna go into 2026, 2027, 2028. It's gonna take a few months, few years for those people to get back on their feet, and if not everything can't be done right now, so I don't need to rush, really. So, well, we do need to rush because people need assistance, but meaning like the clothing item and stuff like that, I can bring them at another time or donate it to some of the organizations in Kingston that will be going down to in the coming weeks, months, etc. So we're gonna head out right now. I'll talk to you guys when I'm on the road. And we're running a little bit late because we're supposed to leave at 7 and it's moving on to 7:30 now. So catch you guys on the Wonder Road. Alright, having a little snacky snack. Whole room.
This is the bus of mushroom.
No? But I look on the house.
At the back part of the house, oh wow.
The house is massive.
Wow. The whole of the back roof is gone.
Your house and you just hear everything over here.
Now just like, can you imagine it take you 10 years to done your house and you file down your house and you lay down in your bed and you say yeah.
Over here, so.
And then storm coming next week and blow up everything.
Yeah, not real.
Oh, that's where glass houses are?
No man.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys, we are now in St. Elizabeth.
Is he from Westmoreland?
Chill out.
Okay.
See? That's why they say the statement, birds of a feather. Looks like a biggie. we are in Smithfield, Westmoreland, and we just stopped at supermarket, Mini Mart, just to grab some snacks. Just waiting for the restroom. So it was a long drive. It is a long drive, but we're finally here. I'm grabbing this snack. Alright, so just grabbed some food from the mini mart. We stopped by, our first stop is at one of my friend group, his friend. So we stopped by her house, and then after that we're gonna head down the road. If you guys see food in my mouth, please. I'm just snacking in the car right now. Whew. Guys, the journey to come down here is super long, and it's just devastation all around. Like we're passing houses that literally flattened roofs of mansion. Like, you guys can see the big houses down here. There's tarpaulin on top of them. Like, guys, it's super crazy down here. Very sad. You have people on the roadside just sitting down. We passed a sign that, you know, they made a sign that we need help, food, water, whatever. It's like, anyways, I'm just gonna finish eating. Yeah. Hey guys, so we're at the first shelter at Kerrian, Godfrey Stewart, and this is a shelter for many people. She said that there are more females than male. There's a few kids here. Let me tell you what these people mostly need. Yes, food is essential, but bedding is an issue, sanitary napkin, water. One of the shelter assistants said that when they go to the supermarket, they can only purchase one water. Watch it, it's raining right now. It's drizzling. Guys, anything you can do to help? Like water, sanitary, bed, sheets, tents, whatever it is. But we're blowing up the bed right now. I think we only have 5 beds, bought 5 blow-up beds. So I think next time when we're coming, so we're going to whichever area, we're gonna purchase more bedding for sure. More bedding is needed, y'all. There's one thing I forgot to tell you. So at the school, they put like all the desks together and they sleep on top of the desk, literally. I didn't want to like go in the classroom and show you guys a video because, you know, privacy and stuff like that, but they literally sleep on top of a desk, y'all. Some of them without sheets. So you know how a school desk is. It's hard. Like, I mean, listen, they need sleeping cots, sheets, towel, rag, soap, bathing soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, like the basic essentials. Anyways, y'all, we're gonna leave now. We're gonna go to our next location. So catch you guys when I'm at the second location. So we stopped at a, was it basic school or primary school? I don't remember. We just stopped by, gave them some few stuff, and then we're back at the original place that we came first, Godfrey Stewart High School. They needed the stuff, so we bought some more stuff here back, and then after we leave here, we're going back to a friend's home, because one of the guys that's escorting us and like bringing us around, he's a JP for the area. So we're gonna leave some care packages with him as well, because he knows the other persons who are in need. He was trying to call some people, but there was no answer. And you know, the connectivity down here is not working. The only connectivity is what is working right now is Starlink Flow. Digicel, I am not picking up anything down here with my Digicel phone. So that's that. Anyways, we're gonna head back to town. I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and just do what you can, give what you can, and yeah, let's pray for Jamaica, y'all. We need all the help. The people here needs the help, and let's see how fast we can recover and move forward. Bye guys.